Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at further mathematics WAEC 2025 past question. Now there is a particular question on the board for us. It reads, how many 3 and 4 digit odd numbers can be formed with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5 if repetitions are not allowed? Now, these are the options. So, how do we solve this particular question? Let us go. Solution. Now, I want to say something quickly before I solve this. Now, if you are looking for a 3-digit or a 4-digit odd number, the first thing that you come to your mind is that for a number to be called an odd number, or for a 3-digit or a 4-digit number to be called an odd number, it means the last digit must be odd. Okay, and apart from that, the first digit cannot be 0. Is that clear? So let us start with a 3-digit odd number. 3-digit odd number. Okay, now I'm having 1, 2, 3. Now, if you look at these numbers, you will discover that it is only 1 and 5 that are odd numbers. Okay, so if I have 1 or 5, so in this case now, I'm having two choices. What I'm saying in the nutshell is that I can fill this last digit with 1 or 5. So it means I'm having two choices. So I'm going to be having two choices here. Okay, so because it is 1 or or 5. Is that clear? Good. Now, what is now the first digit? Okay, now if we look at this, supposing I pick 5. Okay, let's say I pick 5. Okay, now if I pick 5, all right, now the first digit now can either be filled with 1, 2 or 4, excluding 0. So I'm having 3 choices here. Is that clear? Now, let us now say that I decide to use 2, for instance now. Now, what will now be the choices for the second digit? Now, the second digit can be 0, 1, or or 4. What I'm saying is that the second digit can either be filled with 0, 1, or or 4. So, what choices do I have there? I'm having 3 choices. Okay, so at the end of the day now, it becomes 3 times 3 times 2. That gives me 18. Is that clear? Now, let's now go for 4 digits odd numbers. So if I have 4 digits odd numbers, okay, 4 digits odd number. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take note of this. All right. Now remember that I'm still having 2 choices. Talking about for the last digit. So I'll still be having 2 here, 1 or or 5. Okay, I'm filling the last digit with either 1 or 5. Now let me take this one away. Okay. Now let's assume that I fill the last digit with 1, for instance now. Okay, so if I fill the last digit with 1. Now, excluding 0, of course, I can't put 0 here as a first digit. So it means I'm having 3 choices. Okay, so I can fill this first digit with 2, 4, or 5. That is 3 choices. So I'm having 3 here. Is that clear? Now, what about the second digit and the third digit? Okay, now let's assume that I fill the second digit with 4. All right, now which means that how many choices now do I have? 1, 2, 3. It means I can fill the second digit with this, or this. Okay, how many choices now? 3 choices. Okay, now I'll fill the first digit, the second digit, and the last digit. What about the third digit? Now, if we check this now, let's say the third digit now is filled with with 5. Okay, so I'm having how many choices now? I'm having 0 and 2 left. Okay, so that means I'm having 2 choices. That is 2. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, I'll be having 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is what? 18. 18 times 2 is what? 36. Okay. All right. So I'm going to what? I'm going to be adding 18 and 36 together. So I'm having 18 plus 36. And that will give us what? 50 what? 54. Okay. So option A is the right what option.